Hey, Dan, you got a copy?
Copy that. Yeah, we got a copy.
All right, I got my volume up. We're good. Have fun.
And 3, 2, 1, green. Straight up, you got a soft right hand here. Nothing serious. Straight on up.
How far up?
Right. 800, we got a left, 500 left. Up and over this, we can't get squarely up and over this. All tapped out through here.
What else now?
Soft left.
What?
Straight through.
Left?
You're going to have a soft left up here. Easy left. Straight up. 500. 45 left. Straight out. Medium right. Into a straight. Soft left. Straight up, easy right. Straight. You can have soft, easy right, left. This would be just a left soft.
Fucking get some, dude.
Get some, baby. Straight on up. You got a caution coming in 1,000. 500. Chris had me mark it through here. Caution right in here.
Fucking rollers, dude.
Yeah. Straight up. Road crossing, then you're going to come into a left right. Medium plus, left right. Back into a left after us. Straight on. Straight. Straight. Straight.
Get the horn.
Straight. Easy around the power pole. Nice. We're done. Gonna have a straight. Fast power pole, hard 90 left.
Horn, Don.
Hard 90 left. Into a left, right. Right.
Horn, horn.
Got a caution coming. Got a caution coming on. That was the one. That was just keep us from blowing off. Straight runs. Coming up to a 45 lap. Right here. here we're going to have a hairpin U-turn in 700. Hairpin U-turn. Straight up. Light left, easy left. Straight up. copy? Chris, you got a copy? I'm hooked. Chris, you got a copy? "169 Chase, you got a copy?" Yeah, go. Take a trailer out to the road that we took to head up to the school. Yeah, pick us up there. What's up with the car? Blowing fluid out of the freaking, out of the torque converter, the vent tube. Blowing fluid out of it again? Roger that. Does the pump look okay? Pump looked fine, belts on it. Pump appeared fine.
Yeah, no, Chris, it's just pissing out fluid out of the small little overflow line. Hey, switch to Myers 1 so we don't have to fuck with Dan, please. Switch to Myers 1.
Meet you there and take Myers 1. You're on it.
Chris, you copy? Chris, you copy? Chris, switch to Myers 1, please.
Gotcha. You're on 1. Go ahead.
Okay, so, yeah, it's just pissing out. There's fluid all over the back of the car, and it's just pissing out, I mean, like a steady flow from the little tube, so it must be, is that the overflow tube or the vent tube?
The one on the driver's side or the one on the passenger side?
Passenger side.
That's not the converter one, that's power steering and trans.
Well, it's just pissing fluid out of that thing.
Is it dark red or is it the pink trans fluid?
It looks, man, it could be tranny. It could be just pissing out the tranny.
Well, it could be overflowing extra fluid out of the trans.
Yeah, but the car stopped moving forward, though. The torque converter blew up.
Okay. Well, the only truck here right now is a pit for this, so I gotta send Dan's truck there to come get you after this race.
Well, okay. You can't send one of the girls down or something like that?
Let me see if I can get somebody up there with you. I think Dan might have a flat, so I don't want to leave here.
No, that's fine. You don't have to leave there, but just send someone, please.
Copy.
Hey guys, I have a copy. I'm here by the start finish line. Where do I need to go if I need to go help them?
You'll go out the road, go down to the light, make a right, and instead of turning left to go back to the casino or to town, make a right and head up the pavement.
Okay, so go out the main road right here where I came in and take a right?
Come up here to the hot pits.
Okay, I don't know where that is either.
Come back up that road past the toter home up to the top of the hill.
Okay, sounds good. I'm on my way.
And you have a tow strap in here, right? We do have a tow strap in this thing, right?
We should have a tow strap in this thing. Somewhere.
Hey, Chris? Chris, the race car has a tow strap, right? Thank you, guys! Yeah, they're coming right now. Yeah. I don't know if we can tow it down though. You have a tow strap?
I have not located one on this side.
Hey Chris, you got a copy?